Sound up your life. From immersive gaming headsets to sleek wireless earbuds, we're plugging in the top headphones that will take your audio to the next level. Get ready to tune in and discover the latest innovations in sound. Let's plug in and play. This intro is short, energetic, and straight to the point, and it sets the tone for a video that's all about showcasing the best headphones. You can customize it to fit your style and tone, and add some visuals or animations to make it more engaging. Number 5. 4-pack wireless car headphones. Enjoy wireless and car listening with the 4-pack wireless car headphones. These headphones have an automatic shut-off feature to prevent battery drain, a 3.5mm auxiliary port for plug-in use on any device, and can be easily adjusted to fit any head size. The 2-channel headphones fold up for easy storage and use. Number 4. RP Accessories IR2008B Infrared Wireless Headphones. RPI2008B. Wireless headphones are user-friendly over-the-ear headphones that offer a seamless, stable connection to your car's TV or DVD rear entertainment systems. They are compatible with most in-car infrared transmitters, making them easy to use. These headphones are perfect for long road trips, providing an enjoyable and quiet backseat entertainment experience for the whole family. With dual-channel wireless technology, one passenger can watch a movie on one monitor, while another passenger tunes into a different program on the second monitor. These headphones are not only great for car use, but also ideal for watching TV at home without disturbing your loved ones. The IR technology ensures a lower risk of interference, resulting in excellent sound quality. Number 3. Simolio 2-pack of wireless car headphones. Simolio 2-pack of wireless car headphones is a perfect traveling companion for a family car trip. With the 2-channel wireless headphones, 2 kids can watch different movies from the headrest. DVD players without interference by switching to A or B channel. It also comes with adjustable headbands and a custom bag for easy storage. The power-saving vehicle headphones can provide up to 20 hours of continuous working time with 2 AA batteries not included. An automatic shut-off. Please measure the sizes of your kids' heads and ears before ordering. Number 2. Simolio 2-pack of wireless car headphones. Simolio Wireless IR headphones are great for family car trips and can also be used to watch TV shows without disturbing others. It has 2 channels to allow kids to watch different movies from the headrest. DVD players without interference. The headphones are adjustable with memory stainless steel strips inside the headband. It also comes with a custom bag for easy storage and 20-hour battery life. A 3.5mm aux jack with aux cable is included for use with iPad, iPhone, and tablet PC. Number 1. iWireless Foldable Headphones. The XO Vision Wireless headphones are the perfect accessory for your car entertainment system. With their easy pairing feature, you can quickly connect them to your vehicle's DVD player system for wireless audio playback. The user-friendly on or off switch and volume control make it easy to personalize your listening experience. These headphones are designed for comfort, with extra foam cushioning and an adjustable headband that provides a custom fit for both kids and adults. When not in use, simply fold them up for effortless storage. Say goodbye to clutter in your car. Enjoy your favorite movies and music in style with the XO Vision wireless headphones.